What's the meaning of courteously? Courteously. Courteously.
Courteously. Courteously. Courteously is the adverb form of the adjective courteous, meaning to be polite, respectful, and considerate in one's behavior towards others. When someone acts courteously, they show good manners and treat others with kindness and respect. This can involve actions such as holding doors open for others, saying please and thank you, or refraining from interrupting or speaking over others. By acting courteously, people can create positive and respectful social interactions that foster mutual understanding and cooperation.